Budget Babes? It is Linda back again with another video. Today's Budget Babe video will be all about makeup, and we're kicking off 2021 with a Dollar Tree haul. If you'd like to see the fabulous makeup finds that I found at Dollar Tree, keep on watching. The first item I want to show you is a contour kit. If you've seen my other Dollar Tree hauls, you've seen that I've been finding this Broadway Colors brand in contour kit. The first one that I found was a powder contour kit. The second one I found was the cream contour kit, but it was a little different. The color correctors were purple and green, and I found this really beautiful cream contour kit with the pink and light pink color correctors, which I think is fabulous because you can use these as cream blushes. So I am absolutely excited to try out this new contour kit. The next 5 items I'm going to show you are all by the brand Flower. The first item is a tinted moisturizer. This is the Face the World tinted moisturizer, and it is in the shade TM7. Also by Flower, I have here the Perfect Canvas Cream Foundation. This packaging is so beautiful, looks very high-end. I don't know if you can see the inside, but it's nice and gold and mirrored, and it has a nice little sponge so you can apply your foundation. Both of these are in the shade CF3. And the last Flower item that I'm going to show you is something that I was really excited to find. This is the Eyes on the Prize eyeshadow chubby stick, and I love blue eyeshadow, so this was a fabulous find. And the color here is Teal We Meet Again EC3. Eyeshadow sticks are great for really quick eye looks. You just apply them on your lid and give them a nice blend, and they look so nice and they're easy to work with. So I cannot wait to try this out. The next item I'm going to show you is by Wet n Wild. This is the Mega Wear mascara. I've bought this before. I really like this mascara. It goes on so nicely, and the applicator is very nice to work with, doesn't leave your eyelashes clumpy. So I just repurchased this, and you can't beat $1. And this is in the shade Very Black. The next thing I'm going to show you are lip liners by e.l.f. They're both the same color. I really love mauve lip liners, so I had to get myself 2. This is the Long Wear Lip Liner Pencil. The color is Mauve Luxe, and I love these kinds of e.l.f. pencils because they come with their own sharpener. Next lip liner that I got is by Maybelline, and it is in the color Rusty Terracotta. This is a really fabulous matte retractable pencil liner, and I can't even really pick up the true color of it, but it's a nice brick reddish brown color. And Maybelline is a great brand. I really like their products. So I'm happy that I found this at the Dollar Tree. The last 2 products I'm going to show you are also by Maybelline, and this was a fabulous find. These are the Maybelline Color Jolt lip paints. This color is Violet Rebel, and this one is stripped down. It's a really nice tube size, and I've never tried these before. The packaging doesn't say what the finish is, so I'm not sure if it's matte or glossy, but they're lip paints to intensify lip color. I'm really excited to try these out. That is all for my fabulous Budget Babe Dollar Tree makeup haul. I hope you enjoyed the products that I showcased here today. Let me know in the comments if there's anything I showcased here today that you've purchased for yourself and loved, or if there's anything you're on the hunt for and would like to try for yourself. As always, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. I thank you so much for watching today's video, and I hope to see you again. See you guys next time. Bye.